Look, they just came from a party last night. I destroyed their party by telling them how to do a sweep and shit. They got paid. This neighbor right here, that one, the daughter of that one over there, and Melissa's house. They're all at the fucking, probably Sanders' fucking party, cooking it up real good. You see how they're throwing fucking microwaves right now? It's legal. As long as they get paid, they throw microwaves. You see? From Dora's house. Where else? They got paid last night. Oh, you see over here too? We already know where it's coming from too. That's enough evidence. Oh, look, from the back too. So motherfuckers must have been what? Over there. They must have been on the little fucking party last night. You see, straight in the back.